Hi guys, welcome back. This is Panzer 966. Today I thought I would take the good old 72 Challenger out. I haven't done a video with the Challenger in a long time, so I thought I would take it out, bring you guys along, get to hear the Challenger a little bit, and also I wanted to show you this. How nice it is here. Vancouver Island. Everybody should retire here. Beautiful place. So what do we have in here, guys? This is a 72 Challenger with a 340 4-barrel. Yeah, 340 is actually from a 68 Dart, I believe. It's X head engine. So being a 68, it wasn't choked or in any way. So it's in the good old era of the muscle car. So I got all the goodies my 340. Beside that, the previous owner had the engine board 60 over, so I'm more like running a 400 now. You know, forged crank, piston, tape, the whole 9 yards. It's still slower than Shelby by quite a bit, mind you, but it's very fun to drive. It's a 3-speed slapstick shifter with shift kit, big ass transmission, posi track, and the whole 9 yard. It really launched like crazy. I can barely spin the tires. It's hard to launch. A lot of traction in the back there, and it's, I mean, very torquey. Also fun to drive in town. Every stoplight, I feel. On the highway, not so much. Having only 3 gears, it revs pretty high on at 100 and 120 kilometers an hour. But other than that, very fun car to drive. Of course, 72, so it's got all like rattling, everything rattles in here, everything shakes, but it's in good conditions, very drivable. I like to drive my vehicle. I don't let them sit in a garage. Same for the Shelby. I want to track the car. I like to go on Sunday drive with the family. I like to take it to the drag race to see what it can do, just to have fun. And you know, I'm a car enthusiast, so. Definitely want to do a exhaust shootout in between this one and the Shelby 350. Totally different kind of sounding engine and exhaust, but it'll be fun to do. I'd like to have them both side by side. So a project to do this summer for sure, and even maybe have a little bit of a, you know, have them both taken off on the same road and see what happens. So keep me posted. Leave in the comments, guys, what you'd like to see, being the Challenger, the Shelby, and soon to come the Porsche Macan GTS. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. I need your help to keep this going. Support me, and I'll keep the good footage coming. All right, this is Panzer 966 signing off.